This is what scaled Web2App and web funnel growth looks like. Finelo hit 21.2 million visits last month. Here is how it did it. Inside Consumer App Index, we can inspect the whole system. Traffic, ads, funnels, pricing, paywalls, upsells, onboarding, and retention. The headline numbers explain why this funnel matters. 21.2 million monthly visits, 16 live funnel routes, 2.3 thousand live ads, and a low front. The routing also matters. Finelo is not pushing every click through one static page. Multiple quiz routes let the team test angles, languages, and entry points. On YouTube, the campaign looks like an education engine. Consumer App Index shows $39.1 million in lifetime estimated spend and more than 5,600 videos. The highest spending YouTube ads are lesson-based. They talk about live market data, news, patience, terminology, and practical trading ideas before the user ever sees the quiz. Meta is doing a different job. Here, Finelo tests the simple promise quickly. Kickstart your AI investing journey, start trading with guidance, and lower the fear of getting started. The Meta videos compress the offer into confidence, speed, and a phone-first experience. The creative does not need to explain everything. It just needs to earn the click. Once the click lands, the quiz becomes the conversion bridge. It collects age, financial goals, experience level, confidence, current situation, and investing objections. Shown one screen at a time, the strategy is easier to see. Each answer makes the eventual plan feel less like a generic subscription and more like a personal investing challenge. Then the paywall appears after the user has already described what they want. That context makes the offer feel like the next step, not a cold checkout page. What Finelo is selling here is guided investing education, a personal challenge with lessons, practical tools, and confidence building around market basics. The paywall packages that with a timer, now versus goal framing, plan anchoring, and a clear get my plan call to action. After the core plan, the funnel keeps monetizing. Upsells and downsells add AI tools, mentor access, and urgency-led discounts, so the first purchase is not the only revenue moment. And this is why the full funnel view matters. We can keep looking past the ad and paywall into activation, onboarding, and churn reduction flows. If you want to see the Web2App and web funnels driving volume for today's top consumer apps, we track it inside Consumer App Index. The ads, quiz funnels, paywalls, upsells, onboarding flows, anti-churn offers, and more. Go to consumerappindex.com.